screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Hey, hi, Jitish. Okay, so guys, who have studied so far, user tolerances are also known as implied tolerances. Then we studied about the GL tolerances, and we then studied about vendor and customer tolerances. In implied tolerances, we have given the threshold amount or no limited amount limitation employee can post. Okay, that part we given amount limitation for the employee to post the journal entry. In GL tolerances, so here amount, many other thing we have given, but at least amount limitation to post journal entry. Journal entry for the employee. Okay, this is given. In GL tolerances, you have to give the amount limitation to clear the debit and credit amount amount difference amount limitation between debit and credit of open item minus GL to clear them. Correct. This is what we saw, right? In the GL tolerances, we have given the tolerance amount. Up to that tolerance amount, it will allow when you try to clear debit and credit of the GL. Correct. That is what we have given in the GL tolerances, right? Correct, Soma?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
na?
Yes.
Then in vendor customer, same thing, difference amount limitation you have given between your invoice amount and your either and payment amount. Okay. Here invoice means vendor invoice, billing means customer invoice. Payment maybe you think that vendor payment and receipt also. So this is the difference you have mentioned in this one. Now, one thing we have not discussed, let's say here you have one GRI or GL. First, I'm going to talk about the GL tolerances. We have one GRI or GL. It has debit, and in same GRI or GL you have credit. You have, let's say, 900 rupees and here 910 rupees. Now if you remember, I have given you solution. First solution you have debit 900 and credit 910. So it means that you can wait for 10 more rupees to be posted into debit side, then you can do the clearing. So wait for debit posting. Then second solution, I told that as much as is matching you can clear. So 900 debit side and 900 credit side you can clear it, and 10 rupees you can leave in the debit side, sorry, credit side. Okay, that is second solution I told you. Clear partially or residually. Okay, there is concept called clear partial residual concept is there, but I'm writing here clear partially. Partially means as much as is matching you can clear it here. Okay, how you are going to clear, that is separate story. Now third option, first solution I told you that you can, you are here, you are first in first solution you are expecting that 10 rupees entry will come in the debit side, then you will clear. Here you are clearing 910 rupees, you are leaving thinking that 10 rupees entry will come in the debit, then you will clear the 10 rupees amount. But let's say there is no let's say there is no chance of getting the 10 rupees entry in the future. The debit, the shortage amount of 10 rupees, you're not expecting at all to come in the future. Okay. But you have to clear this also and this also. So during that time, the difference is 10 rupees. So that now, if you want to clear 900 and 910, then it will check the GL tolerances. That is what I have taught you, GL tolerances. It will check in the GL tolerances how much difference amount is permitted while clearing. But if you want to clear this 910, so debit has 900 and credit has 910. But you know very well that if you want to post any journal entry, your debit and credit should be equal. So if you clear, let's say this you want to clear completely. So what you will do? You'll post journal entry like this. Let's say here in GL tolerances you have given 100 rupees. So it falls 10 rupees fall under this limitation. So it will allow you to clear. But if you want to clear this one whole, you have debit 900 rupees and credit you have 910. But you know that to post any journal entry in SAP, your debit and credit should be equal. So the 10 rupee difference is that wherever either it difference can be either in the debit side or it can be in credit side. So the difference of 10 rupees, which is right now is less in the debit side, the 10 rupees, this should automatically go to some GL account. Okay, this should also, the difference should also get posted in some GL account. So that setup also you have to do. Then only the difference amount will automatically get posted in certain GL account. Okay. So again I'm repeating. First of all, if you want to clear debit and credit, it will check either it falls within the GL tolerance or not. If it is allowing, if GL tolerance is allowing, the next step where the difference amount will go, in which GL the difference amount will go, that also you have to decide. Okay. So that you have to create one profit and loss GL account. Any GL, either expense GL or revenue GL you create, no problem. But one PNL GL you have to create. Okay, maybe you can give name like GL, GL, GL clearing difference account, something like that. Maybe this is the one GL you can create with this description. Okay, then this 10 rupees should automatically go this one into the debit side. Now this is the journal entry to post. Okay, but where you'll map this GL, where you'll map this GL, so that this GL should automatically come and the difference amount it should automatically get posted into this one. Same scenario, let us say Same scenario, I'm just giving. Let's say here you have 1000. This time this side you have more, and here you have 990 only or 980. So this side, this time in credit side, you are having less. So in credit side, this GL should come. This GL will automatically come in the credit side. 20 rupees. Okay. Or if you feel that no, for debit I need separate GL, for credit difference I need separate GL, that is also possible, but nobody goes in that detail. Okay. They will create one GL, they'll create, they'll map. For debit side difference also same GL, credit side difference also same GL. So this GL will automatically come when you will try to clear the GL, debit and credit. If there is any difference, if you want to clear it completely, if that is within the limitation, then this GL will come into the picture and it will get posted the difference amount. System will automatically bring this GL either in debit or credit based on where it is shortage is there. Okay, so this setup you have to do in SAP. So what you have to do, what step you have? Step 1, you have to create one PNL GL. Okay, one GL you have to create. Okay, this one GL you have to create. Get one GL, map this GL in T code OBXL. Okay, let me show you practically. So this is also very important from the configuration point of view. Go to SPRO. T code anyway I have written, but you can follow the path also. Go to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transaction, open item clearing, clearing differences. Okay, you can bring the T code here. Here. Okay, so T code is OBXZ, not OB. Create account for account clearing difference. Okay, so go here. Let me write here OBXZ. T code is OBXZ. Okay, OBXZ. So here we have to go here. Then see here carefully. This is the place. Create account for clearing different. T code is OBXZ. Okay, double click on this one. Give your operating chart of account. Our operating chart of account APPs. What is your operating chart of account? Anybody remember? This is your operating chart of account, I think. Click here. So here, if you want to map debit side differential, credit side differential, then select this one. Okay. Then click on save. So it appears like this. You can map here debit differential, credit differential. Generally, nobody maps debit separate GL and credit separate GL. They map same GL. So here you have to create the GL and you have to assign here. Right now, you have not created any GL, so I'm not assigning here. Will once I create the GL, I will come and assign here. Okay. So this is the difference arising on GL account clearing. Is it clear, everyone? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear, Pallav, Asaraf, Soma, Samira? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if people are experienced, let me ask. Samira, did you understand what I'm telling
Yes,
here?
sir.
Yes, Ajay.
Okay, okay, great. Now, so this is for the GL clearing differences. Similarly, for the payment vendor and customer, let's say employee, sorry, vendor and customer tolerances. So in vendor and customer tolerances, we understood that here somewhere I have written, let me copy. So this is what we cite. So vendor and customer tolerances have other so many feature inside that, but major is this one. It will allow you to the payment difference limitation. Let's say for vendor, if vendor has sent you invoice of 1,000 rupees, but you made the payment only 9, let's say 999, and you are thinking that I'll never make 1 rupees payment. That's it. So you want to nullify it. Okay, you want to clear it. Okay, you want to nullify it while making the payment. You want to nullify it completely. 1,000. You are making payment of 999 rupees. So first option, you may make the payment of 1 rupees in future. Second option, as much as you have paid, you can clear it. Remaining 1 rupees you can put in the debit side. Third option, you want to clear 1,999. You want to clear it. You don't have any intention to make the payment of 1 rupees in the future. So you want to clear completely. When you clear, debit is 1,000, credit is 999. Now there is difference of 1 rupee. So first of all, it will check your vendor and customer tolerances, how much you have given. Let's say you have given 100 rupees. So 1 rupees, it is within the limitation. 1 rupees within the limitation. Now where that 1 rupee should go? 1 rupee should go somewhere, right? When you want to post the payment, the 1 rupee should go somewhere in some account. So that again, you can create one GL, one PNL GL, one PNL GL you can create either expense side or revenue side. There is no problem. You can give some some name like payment difference account, something like that. You can give the description. You have to create one GL account, okay, and you have to map this GL account. I think this time T code is OBXL, okay, but let me show you the path. So come here, come to here, come to here, here, business transaction, open item clearing, clearing differences, OBXL this time, it is here. Okay, so this is the place you have to map the GL here. Okay, define account for clearing differences here. Same, if you want to map debit and credit separate GL, you can select this one. See here, payment differences. Otherwise, just save it. So you can map one GL here. So whenever you have the payment differences, okay, so it will hit to this GL account. Is it clear, everyone? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Soma, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Got it.
You got it, no? So these are the point you have to understand in the tolerance differences.